Hey, this is Jay, all about, helping everybody out where I can, when I can. And this time I got a fix for the F6E3 error code for the top load washers of Whirlpool Cabrio, technically, as you can see here. Um, this is mine specifically. It's a touchscreen washer, it's throwing nose coats, and couldn't find anything about it. So, of course, I decided I was going to take it apart. So, be careful though, the metal plates on the back, they're really sharp. And when you put the screwdriver in the corner, you shove all the way back to depress that spring that keeps this closed, but it pops right up on the back panel. I think there's like 5 or 6 screws, so it's really pretty simple to pop this baby off. Just remember, unplug it. Um, as you can see, just shove it right back in there. Pop. So when you get the panel off, you will notice on the back, here's your sound mechanism. I took mine off. My girlfriend hates it, so made it silent for her. You'll see these areas right around here where the plastic exposes the chip board on the back side of it, which is really a chip sticker, but who's counting? Um, there's some metal and what looks like copper. Um, gotta love when words escape the memory. Um, is it? Anyways, there's some metal and copper contacts back there. They were really dirty, really dusty, so I had used my static free bristled brush that I use, which let's see right here. Probably can't see it because it's black and my camera is real crappy web camera. Just using it for this purpose. Anyways, the bristles were actually really stiff, so I was able to scratch a lot of that stuff off, which it was hard to get off. I used my fingers for some of it, and anyways, that's pretty much it. Then I put it back on the washer after I was done. Pretty much expecting to spend $150 on a new one, and sure enough, it didn't error. Ran through a test cycle. I didn't even just put this back on because I went way too far with it. I took the whole back off and blah blah blah. So was pretty much expecting it to be trashed. So when I put it back on, I just plugged it in. Careful though, you know, can't really touch wires. It's live juice running through there, so don't be too loose with your fingers. Anyways, yeah, it worked. To say the least, I just ran another successful load, and I didn't have to spend $158 or buy a new washer that is not Whirlpool because they kind of ticked me off a little bit in the support area at Whirlpool Parts. Those guys are awesome. You should really, talk to them sometimes. So, thanks. I hope this saved you some money.